In today's video, we are going to dive deep into one of the most important questions you will ever ask yourself. What is your why and what is your purpose? So you can live with clarity and intention. You see, your why is the driving force behind everything you do. It's your purpose, your passion, your reason for being. And when you are clear on what is your why, everything else falls into place. So let's dive right in. Step number one is how to define your why. First, reflect on your passions and values. What are you passionate about? What activities make you lose track of time? What values are the most important to you? Review what you wrote in the previous video and write down your thoughts and feelings. Don't be afraid to dig deep. Your why is deeply personal and it might take some soul searching to uncover. Don't skip this. I know it might sound cheesy, but your why is the driving force behind everything you do. It's what gives your life meaning and purpose. To define your why, we will use a simple format. Infinite verb, so that. For example, I want to help people to awake their intuition so that together we can have a meaningful and fulfilled life. Now, let's write your why together. Use this template or in the comments below attached to this video. So, I, so that. Take a moment to fill in the blanks. How does it feel? Notice that you are beginning to gain clarity and insight into what truly drives you. Step number two, identify your strengths and talent. Review the answers you wrote in the previous video because these are basically the skills you want to improve and need to acquire. What are you naturally good at? How you can leverage these strengths to make a positive impact in the world. By identifying your unique talents, you will gain clarity on how you can contribute to a greater good and live a purpose-driven life. Step number three, now think about the kind of impact you want to make in the world. How do you want to be remembered? What legacy do you want to create? Whether it is helping others, creating art, solving problems, or spreading joy, your why is ultimately about making a difference in the lives of others. Step number four, now that you are ready, it's time to refine everything you have discovered into a powerful purpose statement. This statement should encapsulate your passions, values, strengths, and desired impact into one single and concise sentence. To create your purpose statement, use the following format. The purpose of my life now is to be do infinite verb so that. For example, my personal purpose statement is the purpose of my life now is to be connected with my truthful higher self, to feel alive, full of energy and grateful. I want to be the pillar of my family and take care of my loved ones. I want to develop strength and share my talents and wisdom so that I can be a source of inspiration and create a positive change in people's lives, helping them live a meaningful and vibrant life. I know. Now that you have your purpose statement, it's time to put it into action. Start by aligning your goals, action, and decisions with your purpose statement and watch as your life transforms in incredible ways. By the way, if you haven't written your goals yet, click on this video where together we discover how to write our goals. And if you are not sure about your purpose and you need more help, please feel free to write in the comments below. I will do my best to provide more insight or create a new video about it. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep striving, keep growing, keep connecting, and above all, keep sharing your light. Take care.